Hey everyone, welcome to Couples Trading Lab. I'm Body.
And I'm Ray. We're excited to finally launch this channel and bring you guys into the way we break down the market together.
Trading has become a big part of our everyday conversations, so we wanted to create a channel where we can take those discussions and make them useful for other traders.
Whether you're newer to trading or you already have some experience, the goal here is simple. We want to help you understand what the market is showing, how setups form, and how to approach trades with more structure.
This channel is called Couples Trading Lab for a reason. We're not just looking at charts and throwing out random opinions. We're going to take the market back to the lab.
That means we'll be dissecting setups, breaking down price action, looking at key levels, studying momentum, and figuring out what actually matters before a trade idea makes sense.
Because not every trade is worth taking. Some setups are clean, some setups are messy, and sometimes the best trade is no trade at all.
I agree with that, Body. During the weekdays, we'll be going over market breakdowns focused on SPY, QQQ, overall market direction, stocks on the move, strong sectors, and the setup that stands out to us the most.
We'll be looking at things where buyers are stepping in, where sellers are stepping in, taking control, whether momentum is building or fading, and what levels the market is really reacting to.
We'll also talk about sector strength and weakness. Sometimes the bigger clue is not just one stock moving, it's where money is flowing in the market.
And one of our main segments will be our favorite setup of the day. This is where we'll slow it down and really break down one setup from start to finish that we believe is going to be useful for our team heading into the upcoming sessions.
And we'll explain what we like about it, what confirmation we're watching for, where the risk is, and what would invalidate the idea.
Yeah, and the important part is because we don't want this channel just to be like this stock is going to go up or this stock can go down, we're going to rather focus on something to show the thought process behind the setup, and hopefully our team can not only take that and carry that valuable information, but also learn to use that to improve their own system and look at the market in a more improved lens.
And you'll hear both of our perspective while we do that.
Sometimes Ray might like the breakout, and I may want to see the retest first.
And sometimes body might catch the risk side before I do, so the balance is part of the conversation.
And really, this is where we want this channel to feel like real trading discussions, not forcing opinions, not being careless with your time, really giving you something that we hope you find value in.
And at the end of the day, trading is not about predicting every candle perfectly. It's about reacting to what price action is showing, staying patient, and managing risk.
And that would conclude our weekday market overview uploads. And then on Saturdays, we're going to slow things down and focus on education, providing education to our lovely audience.
That could be day trading, swing trading, building a trading system, understanding stop losses, risk management, trading plan, entries and exits, or just learning how to become a more disciplined as a trader.
And we want the videos to help you build skill, as I mentioned, not just watch the market move.
And on Sundays, we'll have our weekly watch list session.
That's where we'll be preparing for the week ahead, going over the stocks and the sectors we're watching that are getting rotation flow or getting rotation outflow, and key levels we care about, and the setups that could matter going into the new trading week with new money coming into the markets.
So during the week, we break down the market.
And on Saturdays, we build the skills, and on Sunday, we prepare for what's next so that we can enjoy incredible week ahead. If you enjoy price action, market analysis, stocks on the move, and real trading conversations, we'd love for you to follow along and hopefully we grow alongside each other.
Drop a comment and let us know what stocks or sectors you want us to break down.
Welcome to Couples Trading Lab.